Today I have installed the Call of Duty Modern Warfare Remastered. When I tried to launch the game, I got this error, out of memory error. To fix this, I do have enough storage in my PC, 370 GB left. To fix this problem, go to search menu and type system configuration. Click on open the system configuration. Go to boot tab and checkmark the safe boot. Checkmark the network and select apply and OK. Select the restart option and restart your PC. After you are in the safe mode, open the game. Select the no option. Go to combine. Go to options. Go to graphics. Go to video and set the display mode to windowed full screen. Once you done this, go back. And now you can quit the game. Search system configuration. Click on open it. Go to boot tab. Uncheck the safe boot and select apply and OK and select the restart option. After you following the steps in the boot mode, you can launch the game without having a problem. Select the no option. This is a permanent fix. You don't need to do it again. As you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.